Big news coming out of the capital city today, right before early voting starts. The Arkansas Supreme Court has knocked term limits off the ballot. Fox 16's Jesse Tenor, she joins us in studio with the justice's decision. Jesse?
Yeah, hey, Donna. So issue 3 will still appear on the ballot since they've already been printed, but the votes just won't count for it. The measure would have limited the Arkansas legislature to 2 4-year terms in the Senate and 3 2-year terms in the House. The total cap would have been 10 years in office. Now, back in 2014, Arkansans voted to loosen state lawmakers' term limits and allow a total of 16 years in the House or Senate, or a combination of the two. The campaign in support of issue 3 has been most critical of this 2014 amendment, calling it a sabotage.
As the Democrat Gazette said earlier, that it was the outrage of the year, and it was manifest fraud what the legislature did in 2014, and now those same forces are working against the Arkansas voter, remedying that situation.
We felt like that there was the signature collections were done in a sloppy way. I know the master that looked at the process found 14,000 signatures that should have been thrown off, and so we appreciate the Supreme Court's looking at it and doing their due diligence.
Under the state's current limits, some lawmakers can be in office longer than 16 years if they serve partial terms due to redistricting or special elections. Now, tort reform, that's issue 1, was also kicked off the ballot. So that leaves voters to decide on voter ID, casinos, and minimum wage. And just a reminder, we're now 18 days away from the general election, and early voting actually starts on Monday. You can head to the polls starting at 8 a.m. Monday through Friday and 10 a.m. on Saturdays. There is no early voting on Sundays. If you need to know where to vote, you can use the voter registration search on the Secretary of State's website.